Hakuna Matata, my country people are throwing a big salute for us today. You feel call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. 1 o'clock, it don't ring bell when it comes to much account for talk about the wonderful and terrible country that happen for inside the country where plenty people can be disturbed now for talk about issue for burning of schools and with threatening of population for that side for northwest so control for talk about the one we take side happen where even proprietor for step-by-step college for that side for Bamenda they take side so go threatening right book then so you prefer me to burn your school or make the bond na your house. Yes, say the proprietor, he take paper, write them this, he go for school. No school. Even for that side, for Kikaikom, school, it don't catch fire. So for inside Kumbu, for Kitiwum, they burn another school again for them. We'll take una go to that side for take side talk about all this wonderful and terrible culture that happen for inside the country. We'll take una to bring up for the take una go to that side for Bellabo for talk about how 3 pardon. One dress say I be commander. One say I be the divisional commander. One say so I be a regional. They go so for go take side for next stick for mayor for that side for Bellabo. Mayor I a lot of most so. But all man I can say. Mayor they always hide now to control the ever can do for take sides of for move for take money for them so they allow come up go up Canada they allow cash and go look for commissariat for that side for Bellabo so for Toka which for Sika say so they no be show no one paper so they so it come on for that side for presidents for your own so we'll take una go that side and take una to bring her for literature for talk about how Kitu them too for this side the glasses so they don't give them better material they will take and work this scientific police they test tongue them look you other one so they don't get better material they will take and for help Cameroonians for inside this one countryman. As I come back we go enter for inside to read proper. Call me Michael, call me Congo Saman for inside this chapter for talk about burning of school for that side for northwest country. You don't take side now. Being at the one people don't take side so the confused with Masaroland press button take we go to that side for government school, government high school for that side, government high school Kitiwumwe take side so receive ghost town fire for night. Even though all my children so they wonder about 2:33 a.m. for morning time with some boys they come that side the whole the security guard we be smokers and go for take it take even the ID take side of disappearing put fire away it destroy boss side office destroy secretary destroy head teacher office I say destroy all major offices for that side for Kitiwumwe all man still takes out confused so now what did it happen for inside your country with chapter for burning of schools and destruction of properties and even operate one and say man this school then with more than 1,000 gendarmes police where they dey for that side only for inside Kumbu. Why Oga SDO no fit even send even a 5 Kitu for one school no money they take side know what it happen for that one so in only the proprietor for school then they struggle for pull 1 or 2 security guards for that side but when this boy they come they take side so whip casting go for the vice principal office they burn all bring her down to ashes the secretariat they burn all for that side for Kitiwum so control all my who call this monitor just stand and say hey, but then now the commander the brigade for the principal, even though they become they tie the security man serious, even the boss side office, they burn and all destroy and so we do not want paper, so no take set of move all material, all team burn properties, they burn with they count a million plenty money for that side for Kitiwum for that side for inside Kumbu so control they see this one, even the generator of that side they take set so put fire control they see this one a really wonderful thing for this issue for this Anglophone struggle. But any idea? Who ask the security man make it tell we how this thing pass for night before this morning time now so it control it only takes sense of visit and listen and say where but it don't happen. It don't make an even one picking for take side goes to this morning time for that side for government primary school for that side for Kumbu. Picking the hook up this morning time dress fine go reach for school or boy that crashing it is Ubansiam, picking the start scratch that's all skins to all and they run go back for us. So school don't turn as crashing school for that side for government primary school for that side for Kumbu so control surely they come back tomorrow for bring another image for that side, but that side they don't put fire for inside school because school waiting for inside premises for palace for that side for Kumbu. But anyway, they more way security man for government high school Kitium will tell you how this thing it passed for night before this morning time we people that only see and how when I tell you see and for us.
My name is Francis Vera. I'm the security man of JHS Kitium. Last night at about 11:30 when I was strolling around the school, when I stroll like that and I was feeling cool, I went to the kitchen where we always make fire to warm ourselves, and I heard, as I was sitting there, I heard a noise that pushed the door. As I was coming out of the house, people attacked me with guns, tied me face down, and then tied my face, and they were threatening to shoot me. So, and they said that I should direct them where the principal office is. Then many of them came down to school and they were trying to enter the office, but they did not succeed. They came back to me and collected all what I had. They asked for the gun. I said that I have no gun. Then they took my identity card and the money that I had. Then my phone, they also asked where my phone was. I directed them that is in charge. So they
Now so na how the thing takes side so happen for that side for Kitium for inside Kumbu so control. Contrary na kuna tori so remain for that side for Norway. Take una go and this time around for that side for government bilingual high school for Kaikom for that side where he received to fire for weekend. They born na only a principal office for that side destroy only property, only struggle born office, but even though they don't get some their laboratory, at least that's why they be defined with the fire, thanks to inhabitants and for the neighbors that they come out the struggle for all lost this fire where it takes us so they destroy plenty property for inside office then for that side all man want to say what you don't happen now they target. Now on the office by office, from office to office, threaten even for inside Kumuna. So later they circulate for back city, so they threaten parents the way they send their picking for school with the all man so me government to try to put hand for this matter for the meeting and come back to normal for that time for Kai come for that time for Kumbu so but any idea more hear from their Oga Kota for that time for school make it tell we what it really happened and how waiting they don't born.
Well, it is rather unfortunate that we witnessed such a sad incident in our institution yesterday at about 8:30 p.m. What I have to say is that, well, it has happened, but fortunately it was just an attempt that touched two offices, that of the boss and the senior discipline master. And I am sure it did not touch any of our structures, the laboratory, the computer lab, and the classes. So we just thank God that the attempt did not get to a regrettable level. Yes, certainly we have, before then, we can't understand what really happened. Before then we had agreed and we had two night watchmen that had to be on duty. Unfortunately, one stepped out and they met just one. And we have equally alerted the security, the Commissioner of Public Security, and in the days ahead, the security will be stepped up.
Now really wonderful and terrible kind of when the year happen for us side for Norway. They will come so for inside North for us side. Can we go to for government bilingual primary school Fondu where they come gather na benches and for night put fire for day. Now only God you want to know how population do see this smoke before you can see how Shannon they come for that side for can open their own small investigation for that side for do it so they boot fire for the benches. Thank God say population come out early for struggle loss and if not with the struggle carry the bench and go through and for outside and for only yesterday so the whole place don't take side so catch fire for that side for talk about even for Bamenda they still threaten to plenty school the way they even come yesterday for night struggle so gather and put fire now have night vigil them where they don't put out that side they see struggle with all man want to say who side all the security with all the security measures they went go now they assure the population say when I send people for school who side it day for play they don't take sense to put up them all turn back to normal for that side for Norway more than so for that side for North for talk about big dongamen with it so SGF people they hold that big dongamen for that side even though things don't happen they struggle around the city so when the day for take side so hold it and big dongamen all man the way so presidential election where they come now who will stand as their presidential candidate for SGF now for the big question man they oh they say so it's kind of funny John will come again on how because they hold this Nungamen even talk about it. So some of the MPs the way they talk it so they don't resign. They don't resign now by their will, now their population they don't fund they take side so step back when they come for that side for parliament or how the thing is takes happen even though one is in gang we'll see them because time when moon die with so pass of bank for take with small or for take side manage any my small life for that side way any idea but any Masaroland make we more here for talk man for that side for NCL people for Bamenda, which they be whole and for this meeting and which be the main objective with the go on Chakara for this Ndonga men.
Any member of the SDF resign, you don't resign through the social media. The Met statements which were released at the time on social media within the context of the situation. The committee meeting today has resolved that all elected officials, senators, SDF parliamentarians in general, and mayors and all the elected officials should continue doing their work as normal because we are facing a constitutional and institutional crisis. This crisis can only be solved through a constitutional conference and we are calling on Paul Biya to open veritable, inclusive and dynamic dialogue to resolve the problem. What do That's what we mean. Convention that did not hold. That's what we mean.
Exactly.
Well, the election, the convention could not have held simply because of the crisis. And so we have resolved today to move it to February 2018 to give time for the dust to settle, to give time for Cameroonians to come back to their collective conscience, and to give time for the party to work with its militants and all its supporters.
Come back for this side for littoral, but we'll take on a break for that side for Southwest, for Manfred, for take side talk about Agbabala. After that talk where each Chakara with the BBC people then focus on Africa about this wahala for federation association. He don't make a now they are coming for that side for Manfred. He received ghost town fire. The one for Boya, they did threaten say this to go put fire. I say how he go do the Chakara to this so the talk say so it been for federalism. Where why some other people they talking about Palawa station where some people don't even take sense so confused this wahala where they so if they go na left or if they go na right where SDF they take sense so call Papa Popo for that side for you they say do something quick before this fire it catch where you know go feel be careful for bring your firefighting brigade they take sense so for loss and for inside this one so we will show you the camera with the image and where they take side they threaten you side by side, left and right for social media for talk this. So that Tori where he go take side so Chakara Tori for that side for white man country, they think they way talk for that side, they don't agree with you and since where he come for that side, they call in and treat also when they say so he don't come up the way the Chakara Tori together with the Shidon for one Dongame for struggle for dialogue. In the evening Shidon again for whole meeting with them for struggle. See what I so this struggle, if they go na left or if they go na right for that side, so we'll show you the camera again with one or two images. And so for take una so talk about this trouble the way it happened for inside the country, we'll take una this time around go to that side for Bellabo for talk about chapter for 3. One man said this so I be divisionnaire. One man said this so na 3 people oh. One man said this so I be commander. I be adjutant chef. Yes, you know say divisionnaire mo work with the guard they call say they work with them. Then they man wear fake uniform. They come that side, they can do control for Monsieur Le Maire for Bellabo office for that side. Now, Monsieur Le Maire too, with his small tactics. You say even time we fame one nag you, even time when a really control come, they control you more ask paper. say show me identify yourself. Even you the fear say so you go to say you identify yourself, then start begin struggle. Say actually tell me you give you plenty money or plenty choco because after now don't spoil that palava choco they say so they come up for presidency. Can't take so trade their own story for make sure so make Michel Rometo he lost more dough for that side for Belabo. Now Michel Rometo ask them 1 or 2 questions, no agree comply. You two for that side it makes it now police them for that side they take sign so they put them hand for that side they say so they be come frappe Michel Rometo for take 3 million so for take sign so disappear and say so they come up for presidency when I way Oga quarter to senior divisional officer for that side for Belabo takes time to work come can congratulate police say they wanna fine we wanna continue do anytime Michel Rometo continue for work this you fine work move became make sure say move put all these people and so for behind bars so because they take sides so do it kill winner kill am to control will continue now gonna to come take una come out to more do for that side for Yaoundé for Kondengi for talk about this product be specialist for teeth them, they work teeth them, fix teeth them for people them, clean teeth them for them. They don't go for that side for Kondengi say plenty people for that side, they don't know again test for toothpaste. They don't even get toothbrush. And all na mind of the mistake picking they underage where they for that side for prison. They take time so they suffer for that side, they go take time, wash their teeth them, the one that teeth don't rot in they move and the one they feel struggle for arrange and they arrange and then give them toothpaste, give them toothpick for say they so many they take time so became brush their teeth. So no matter say they so they for prison, they need if do some work, they need if achieve anything for their life, they at least they get for day fine and take care for themselves to for better because they promise. So every 3 months they will come for that side for Kondengi prison for Texas so arrange people for saving their life to a better way. Mataroland. So for that side for Yaoundé, they just give you image for that side for a while the accident where it happened, where it take place for their lives and carry and go to that side where they struggle for court mutona court for take side where carry them go to Wasapita where the road die. They don't press button so move take side so go to that side for Yaoundé for know how this thing takes side so happen for inside the country. Accident for Ngongoro for we carry Mulu for us for a while, so it takes us so fall for on top taxi with the so we come young driver then nowadays we really need for do something terrible. Government they say Minister of Transport you get for really do something for Palava translation because people they over die for inside Cameroon so control. Concerning actually this time I'll take an account and back for Littoral for talk about material and they don't take sides of hand and for military police them, scientific police them for this side for Littoral say this so many take sides to for do their own better and this collaboration. Now collaboration they work with Germans and for that side they don't can hand them this material where they feel do not say plenty things in the way they happen crime the way they commit and for inside Cameroon police will say so will not get material for do the one, will not get material for do the one, but at least they don't give them that better pack away than to they take sides of smart so case where they take sometimes 6 months for do investigation for catch the people and now they will take lesser time if until we did that thing for 3 months they will take now maybe around that kind 1 month or 1.5 months because at least they don't hand them the better material way if you make them say so make they take sides so do work for better way for inside this we country at least to people to say so crime to not over too much when crime too much if Kitu they get better material they will resolve the one quick go for the next one solve the one quick go for the next one thing you know go take sides so you stay again plenty for inside the country. Rolando Mojo control remain for this side for Douala take una go for inside Douala 2 municipal council way this so Oga Dio, he don't take sides, so became worker left and right. They look comparison way they did for inside a region and how they go take sides for arrange them. And Roland said, so we know if we get there, that image for inside Douala to so we'll show you the camera. Just carry we go to that side for Benin for talk about. We'll take this one. One thing when I take sides here, they say so if this Mexican way he do this thing for Benin, if he come for Cameroon here, he could really be in a wonderful and terrible country because mango thief money moto. The parcel, he say, I don't thief amo, I don't thief amo. Una leave me, I beg, una tell man say motor there for your ass. He don't go thief my motor. The man just send a honey. Send that so honey, say honey can't go finish with. Now when the man for that side they cry that so he hide face. Then they say so thief they so una stop for the thief for that thing even though so they say they so man thief. See honey they don't allow so struggle not to hang for his skin for that side so they don't go take sense or shift for surely they come back tomorrow 1 or 2 interview and know how Palava thief the worries on kind pray way they so man they struggle gather it thing so other pray they own only for can thief and control will surely come down let's go figure that image for inside Douala one so any they control will surely come back with that one tomorrow with even with image and for that side for Bamenda way they threaten pray say so me they don't send picking for school because it is so man the people will disappear even for that side for Kumbutu all man the president so main governor he try to do something with plenty kitu they don't keep and they sleep for bad and they won't nothing why this kitu don't secure the population for that side for northwest and southwest so you feel call me Michael call me Congo Saman tomorrow will be another day. Well, come back again. We'll plenty today. Even today we come for that side for Menji for Lebi Alem. We'll surely check out for that tomorrow. Thanks to how we will struggle for get Terrence for that side where the struggle for see move. We get all around where it takes side happen. How they molest put them for that side where someone say get for now man. No need to carry say go to for Kito play carry go for that side. On the charge they go put them for hit. They catch him man for that side for Lebi for Menji. They say carry and go to for Chief Palace. Ogadio them good. Jana say no when I give we now we get for keep Kito. Chief say gang population don't say na me I get for keep them. So we'll surely come out with that image then tomorrow for make me know how the thing happen for inside this country. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Tomorrow it will be another day where we'll come back with better story.